welcome back to Do It on a Dime. These are 13 viewer hacks you don't want to miss from the Dollar Tree. I'm taking you through every aisle of the store. These are all of the things you actually want to try, plus they beat Amazon. Let's jump into it. These are all your tips. I printed them out like we used to do with MapQuest, you know, so I could remember what y'all said. Right, we are going through this store quick. You guys know how I roll. They brought these back.
Whoa.
This is a straight up Kathryn and Charlie hack. Okay, so you remember this Broom and Dustpan set. I actually really love this, and it is an Amazon purchase I would recommend. But I realized that you could actually make a very similar product from the Dollar Tree, and it only takes a couple of seconds.
They got back these little dustpans, and all you have to do is buy a broom handle to create one of these for yourself. These are like $14 on Amazon. Did you know this was here? Now you do. These are also really great to clean off your brooms. I'm gonna give this hack, I've been meaning to, a try. It works in my brain. Let's see if it works somewhere else.
I suppose you could cut down the comb to make it fit on top of your broom, but I didn't because it gave it some extra stability that I really liked. I just took a little bit of duct tape and added this onto the side. I was impressed. It offers the same benefits. Basically, if you have pets, a lot of hair on the floor, this is gonna take it off of your broom as you sweep. This does the exact same thing.
Here's the thing, this is $3 and this guy is $26. So does it look a little crazy? Yes. However, I think the savings are worth it because it does work.
But these next viewer hacks you're not gonna wanna miss, especially this one. I think it's my favorite of the video. You know I love my Dollar Tree glass cleaner. Viewer Marielle S uses this with a Swiffer mop, and I decided to make a Dollar Tree version.
You can also grab one of these with the handles, and this works really well on your glass. A Swiffer is awesome, especially if you use the glass cleaning spray from the Dollar Tree.
Oh my gosh, please try this. Please tag me. You see how the cloth, the microfiber cloth, sticks to the top of this? It's because it's got Velcro on the bottom. You can just tie it on the back, no need to attach. This is incredible for cleaning glass, windows, and mirrors. I actually put the glass cleaning product right onto the microfiber cloth. This works phenomenally well. Only a few sprays did all of my windows. And you see how it stays on there? It's not gonna shift as you're cleaning like some of the Swiffer heads will. I've got so many more tips. Stick around, including a way that your kids are gonna wanna shop with you in Dollar Tree.
This is a product I'm so excited to try. Tracy A said that you take a broom base and one of these handles. I like to use a mop in my tub, but she said a broom works really well. I think this is amazing because it combines the bristle brush strokes along with a sponge. As a reminder, when it comes to Dawn or when it comes to Ajax and these sprays, you can use this in your bathtub. It works great.
I love the foaming sprays. You can actually make a DIY version of this using Dawn dish soap and rubbing alcohol and put it right in these spray bottles. But I put this all the time in the tub. And oh my goodness, can I say when I tried this broom trick, I think I'm sold. Y'all have been watching me know I use a mop in my tub so I don't have to bend over, but this broom trick was great. I don't even need a scrub brush anymore. I was seriously impressed. Tracy S has got it going on, and I think the best hacks I haven't even shared yet.
Come to the car section because we're going to grab this oval applicator and we're also going to grab wash and wax. This tip came from a viewer who talked to a glass installer that said this works really well on your shower doors to do once or twice a year to make cleaning a lot easier. I can't wait to test this out.
Basically, mix a little bit of that up in a small bucket of water. And y'all know I like to use my pitcher in the shower, and I just rub this on. And this is gonna help the water bead off after you shower, so that way you're gonna have less hard water stains. So far, I am really liking this one too.
I think people think we clean our showers way more than we actually do. Like,
And right now we are in the kitchen section and I've got this cutting board. Why? Did you know that you can use this as one of those $14 tucking tools from Amazon? This is perfect for making your beds really fast. See how it's got some flex to it? One of my viewers, I'll make sure to put all of you guys on the screen, also suggested you could use a spatula for it. I'm gonna try both and see what I think.
You guys may remember I love these tucking tools for that look like you've got your bed made at a hotel. It just makes it really crisp. I actually couldn't get the spatula to work, but Charlie had the great idea to use a cutting board for the same task. I really like this one because it was super easy to hold. You can do the same thing for $1.25.
The hangers section. All right, they brought back these little hooked hangers, which are supposed to be for belts as well as scarves, but a viewer told me that it works really great for her tank tops. I thought this idea was extraordinary and I couldn't wait to try it in my closet. In the organizing section, you've got to think outside the box, actually, literally. So I really like these tiny organizers with the snap lids. This one is meant for sandwiches. They also have mini ones that are just one section. These are incredible for so many things, from crayons to first aid kits to band-aids for your desks and even more. You can stick it inside of your board games to store your dice and your cards. I love all of these tips. Thank you so much, Amy. Let me know in the comments down below how you like to use them.
These next tax friends are the bribes. I'm talking like your kids want to leave the Dollar Tree, everybody's crying. This is going to keep them in store. You won't believe it.
Gosh. Okay, so this is not a viewer, but I saw this on TikTok. I don't know the original creator, so if you do, let me know down below. Grab some fruit roll-ups and come here.
Tell your kiddos to grab that little fruit roll-up box in store and hold it while you shop. And then when you get home, you're gonna take some sorbet ice cream and add this to the center and make a little sandwich. Holy bonanzas. The fruit roll-up kind of turns to crunchy glass. It's so cool.
It's crunchy.
Oh, it's like crunchy.
What's the leg?
Also, this came from viewer Will C, who said, you can get bread from the Dollar Tree and you can make something called fairy bread. I'm so excited to try this. Apparently, it's an Australian snack. Come here. All we need to pick up is some rainbow sprinkles, and if you didn't know, Parmesan lids fit perfectly on mason jars. So if you want to store these at home in your cabinet, you can do it from Dollar Tree. Let's make some fairy bread and see what the kids think.
I had never tried this before, but I was so intrigued. Is this kind of like a peasant Pop-Tart? Is this available in your country? Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried fairy bread. But I was a little bit skeptical at first, but really the combination of the butter and the sprinkles together is so good. It's the sweetest little snack. My family definitely enjoyed it. And yay, here are some kitchen hacks I've never shared.
Even if you don't have little ones anymore, come to the baby section and grab a bottle brush. This works really great to get odors out of your sink, especially in garbage disposals. It also works great in your dishwasher. And what is more, it has a suction cup on the bottom, so it makes for really easy storage. This is a phenomenal buy for $1.25, so versatile. Plus you can use this in water bottles too. I like to get one of each color, so I have one for my water bottles and then one for my garbage disposal.
Viewer Kyra also suggested you could use a toilet brush to clean your garbage disposal. I really like the bottle brush because you can store it on your countertop. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this.
If you have a big problem with spills and odors inside of your trash can, I've had viewers recommend putting kitty litter in the bottom, but the jury is out on that according to Reddit. However, one thing you can get at the Dollar Tree are these training pads for puppies. Stick this on the bottom of your trash can, especially if it's prone to spills, to make cleanup a little easier.
Charlie and I decided to try out these puppy pads though when we were in the store to see how this worked, and I think it's helping with kitchen odor.
A viewer told me not to get these mats for underneath of your pet bowls, but instead get the ones that are meant for your shoes. These have a nice big lip on the side. You can find them at Dollar Tree, especially if you have a big dog like we do. The flashlights at the Dollar Tree are incredible. My recommendation, if you are brave, is to grab a black light. This makes cleaning a lot easier in your bathroom, especially if you're a mom of boys.
Holy cow, I can't believe I'm putting this on the internet, but man, does this work. And if you remember from my last video, you can stick a normal spray nozzle right on top of your Dollar Tree cleaning products from like a different spray bottle. I really like the Fabuloso with baking soda already mixed into it. It's perfect for cleaning your walls, and it's also perfect for cleaning any spots of your bathroom.
This is one of my more savage comments from Mrs. Jordan Loves. It got 3,000 likes, and there's a reason. She said to grab some PineSol, and if she wants her husband to think she's been cleaning all day, she just puts a little bit of this in the toilet. Somebody else commented maybe just like dip a mop in some water and set it out. Makes it feel like you clean. Turn on some YouTube cleaning videos. I don't think that's such a bad idea. And of course, most important of all, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you guys soon. They're watching me. Look at them, they're watching.
I forget what I'm supposed to do.
Whoa.